Podcasts have been really helpful for my students. The class that I use it in the most is a class where I teach rhetoric, which is something that a lot of students have not studied before, and so it's completely new. I really like the way that the podcasts have actually been able to open up class time, and so I'm no longer having to explain slight details or minutiae or things that they should get from the reading. I'm actually able to deal with the material and deal with concepts and all of the kind of earlier stuff about definitions and what does this mean and what does this Greek word mean. All of that is handled in the podcast. The podcast in particular has been extra helpful for my non-traditional students and my international students, those who, not only is English a second language or is coming back to college and learning about how to study and how to make all of that happen new to them, but it also, the podcast allows them again to kind of grapple with this difficult material at their own pace. So I've noticed a big difference, whereas I had a lot of non-traditional international students who were struggling in this course before. The podcast has really given them a chance to learn the material on their own. I think that mobile learning is still going to continue to really change the way that the classroom works. It really puts the information in our students' hands, just because, again, the students will have that material in front of them already, and it's just a matter of me teaching them how to utilize it and to really see how the classroom is so much bigger than just those four walls.